developed when the most powerful and efficient empires developed ways of moving organized units of troops from one place to another on the battlefield without individuals getting mixed up with other units. Otherwise, as masses of people maneuvered among each other's individual would get lost and end up having to attach themselves to only one unit. For the past few years, a lot of CA officers here at St. Gas Academy of Pampanga have shown their skills and merit when it comes to concentrated expeditions. It's just shown that our CA officers are not just good in giving commands, but also good in executing them smartly and smartly. Concentrated is modified game that involves complex marching sequences that usually deviate from standard drills. Games performing exhibition drills are often affiliated with military units, but the scope of exhibition drills is not limited to the military drill games. Fancy drills is often performed by armed forces in the Philippines drill games, the drill games of service athletics, and ROTC and junior ROTC units, and civilian games that performs parades, drill skate, and halftime shows and other public venues. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the cadets and cadets of the CAT Advanced Quiz 2016 for the annual presentation of their own version of the advanced grade under the command of Cadet Colonel Giselle Allen S. Galvez. Let us welcome them and give them a round of applause. And now, our attendance students are forming the letters SAAB at 17. SAAB is the former name of our middle school after it was established in 1946 by U.S. Army Captain Reverend Father Joseph David. It was later on changed to SAAB due to its location and to avoid confusion. 70 represents the years of existence for St. Augustine Academy of Pampanga. After 70 years, our school has successfully fostered a student-centered academy for enrollees all over the Netherlands towards the goal of achieving core values of faith, service, and excellence. Faith is one of the fundamental values that the real Christians possess. Their actions of passion and selflessness prove that they are not